Hello, and thank you for tuning in. This is EJ Melvin. I am an executive team leader with Search 365, and today we're going to be talking about travel and vacation. Search 365 is a full-service travel company, so we're going to be sharing with you today how you can earn, save money, and become a wealth builder with Search 365. You get to travel for pennies on the dollar, and we also get to receive free travel. So we're telling you today how to get free travel with Search 365, how to travel for less than, sometimes up to 90% off the regular retail price. So let's get started. Travel and vacation is something that everyone does. So let's just use our imagination for the next 8 days and 7 nights. If you could go anywhere in the world for a vacation, where would you like to go? Florida, Vegas is my place of choice. Cabo, Cancun, Jamaica, Tahiti, Bora Bora, Costa Rica, Brazil, Russia, the UK, France. That's on my bucket list to go to Paris, France, as well as anywhere in Africa, Australia, Asia, and of course our neighboring country, Canada. Search 365 offers us an amazing opportunity. It's called the Ultimate Travel Solution. With this travel solution, you get to make money, you get to save money, you get to see the world at discount prices. So let's take a look at what's going on here. Option number 1 is called the Vortex. Now what the Vortex is a self-booking engine. It's a private self-booking engine, just like a Travelocity or TravagoHotels.com. It's a website. However, it is not like them because 85% of the time you are going to find the lowest prices right here on the Vortex. That's what Search 365 calls our private booking engine, the Vortex. So what we do, we bypass the middleman to get you connected to all of the travel accommodations, savings on hotels, car rentals, cruises, and much more. So when you're an owner of the Vortex, you get to share the link free. This website that we give you, you can share it freely to those you want to help to save as well. So they have free access to discounts for everyone that you know. And when they save money, which is 85% of the time, as compared to those other guys, you are going to absolutely earn everything they save. The Vortex owner, that would be you in option 1, earns referral compensation on bookings. So all you have to do is share, the customer saves, and you earn with the Vortex. And that is easy peasy. All right, let's take a look at some examples of savings which equal earnings. The Vortex customer hotel savings, Orlando, right outside Disney's main gate. Your customers save $40.49. You earn $40.49. In Los Angeles, they save $81.62. You earn what? $81.62. Let's go to New York City where they save $74.71. That's exactly what you earn. Taking ourselves out of the country, going on a national vacation, saving $135.60. Rome, $34.80. In Bali, $150.51. This absolutely equals what you're going to earn. That is passive income, ladies and gentlemen. All you do is point, they click, and save, and that is how you earn. Now let's say reasonably. Does $25 a night for the Vortex savings seem reasonable? Of course it does. So think of how many people you know. The Facebook users average at 338 friends. If you're on social media, you have an average of 338 friends. You have some people with whom you have common interests, people who like to do the things you like to do. They go to the places you like to go to. What about your co-workers and acquaintances? And then, of course, we know that we have family members who love us and want to travel for less. What if only 200 hotel nights were booked in the next 12 months? What that means is that 200 of the people that you know on your social media, common interests, co-workers, family, book one night in a hotel for the entire year and save $25. When that happens, ladies and gentlemen, your earnings would be $5,000. And that's each and every year. Because how many know that when someone finds a deal and they save, they go back to the place where they saved, because we all love to save money. So your friends who are going to go ahead and book on your site so that they can save, they're going to be taking vacations anyway, so you're not selling them anything. You're not convincing them of anything except use this site and save 85% of the time. They're going to share with their friends, which is going to increase the number of people using your Vortex, and your earnings are going to go up. Let's say instead of one night in the year, those same 200 people or a different 200 people save another $25 per night during the same 12 months. That's $10,000 for the year, and that's very, very good. Now here we have the Vortex, what it's going to look like when your friends, family, co-workers, and acquaintances go on to your website. This is what it looks like. Excuse me. It looks like every other, not really looks like every other website that sells travel, but we have the same thing. We have accommodations, which are your hotels, resorts, what have you, condos. Then we have cruises, cars, activities. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, your people can go into your Vortex and book a concert or a theater ticket or whatever else is going on in the region that they would like to participate in the destination city where they are. So they can book from your Vortex. They can save on their activities, and you absolutely, once again, are going to earn what they save. So here we are. Customers save, you earn on hotels, cruises, car rentals, weekly stays, and activities. And there's much, much more. Now the Vortex, what you have to do with the Vortex is simply share it. There's nothing hard about it. You can even post it on social media, either on your wall or in the groups that you participate in. With travel groups, you can put it on the back of the church bulletin. You can make flyers and give it out in the different areas where you go. When you go to parties, you can pass out your business card with your Vortex on it. There's a million ways you can get that link out there. When you share your Vortex portal, people go there, save on the vacations. If you know people who travel for business, give them your card so that they can save. And everyday travel, they can also save. No blackout dates, and it's unlimited bookings. There's no selling, no convincing, just sharing your link. And when they say, you earn referral compensation. Now, what's it going to take for you to get started is a very small initial fee of $177. That includes the monthly fee of $59.95. So once you join, purchase your Vortex at $177 the next month, and thereafter the monthly fee is $59.95 a month. That is the only overhead you will have as a business owner. Just being a business owner of the Vortex opens you up for tax deduction benefits. Over 400 tax deduction benefits come along with being a small business owner, even though you're an online business owner. If the Vortex makes sense to you, it will certainly make sense to other people. So if you're thinking about, oh, that's $59.95, I don't want to pay $59.95 a month to be in business, well, here's a way Search 365 has given you the opportunity to eliminate that monthly fee. Simply refer 3 people to become Vortex owners just like yourself. When people see how you are making money, how you are saving other people money, they will want to be a part of what you're doing, because it makes sense to travel for less. So you help them to become, Vortex owners. When they purchase the Vortex, your monthly fee is waived. And as long as their sites are active, you are in the 3 and free club. So you can go ahead and do business without any overhead. The website, there's no hosting fee for it. As long as you maintain 3 active personally sold subscribers, there is no monthly fee for your Vortex. So that's option number 1, ladies and gentlemen. And so we want to say welcome to Search 365 as a Vortex owner. You get to go ahead and have a great day. Come back and see the next video. We're going to go into option 2, how you can travel for pennies on the dollar. We're going with the platinum membership, and that's going to blow your mind. So I see you in the next video.